We are world's second largest salt mine. Pakistan's ED Foundation gives the largest ambulance service and helicopter services in the whole of Asia. Pakistan has the highest ATM machine. 3 biggest mountain ranges join in Pakistan. FIFA World Cup balls are made in Sialkot. It was the highest peak in Pakistan. Kalbera is the world's largest mud dam. The water is the world's largest deep sea pool. The national anthem is written in Persian language. World's highest polo ground is in Shandur. Pakistan has the best mangoes. Famous taka is done in Pakistan. Handmade glue pottery is very famous. We have unique cultural diversity. Take the soy, this is food to other countries.
Smile. किसकी बुक है ये? मेरी? नहीं ना? चलो ठीक है, it's okay. Are unique? Say it. Are unique Indus dolphins are blind? Say it. Are unique